third year now, this award is a collaboration with Sanjay Mortimer Foundation, a fantastic charity set up in honour of the late director and co-founder of 3D printing company E3D. The foundation supports those with neurodivergent minds to realise their potential through 3D printing, engineering and STEM. Neurodivergent 14 to 25-year-olds from England and Wales who find enjoyment from engineering, making and specifically 3D printing were invited to enter to begin with a chance to win a Prusa CORE One 3D printer to help support their engineering journey, plus the opportunity to become an SMF Star, providing access to grants, training and more. To announce the winner of the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation Rising Star Award 2025, please welcome to the stage to say a few words the CEO of the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation, Julia Bradshaw.
Firstly, I really want to thank you, the TCT group, for once again collaborating with us on this really unique award that recognises the legacy of Sanjay Mortimer, a man who had a huge impact on the 3D printing industry that we enjoy today. And if you don't know of him, please do look him up because you will be fascinated by what he's achieved. And we lost him at a very young age. And so this foundation is to remember who he is and to recognize the struggles of neurodiverse people, but the talents they can bring to this industry. So, for this award, the SMF looked for somebody whose passion for 3D printing goes beyond the technical, someone who finds creativity and joy and community in it, and who has the potential to contribute meaningfully to the engineering industry. Our winner embodies all of that and more. Her journey began in 2001 during her third year at university, when she discovered Full Control G-Code Designer, a software tool developed by her lecturer, Dr. Andy Gleadle, who is here with us tonight. Woo! What started as curiosity quickly became a deep passion. She describes 3D printing as the first outlet that allowed her creativity to run wild, and her work reflects that beautifully. Despite navigating challenges of undiagnosed ADHD at the time, she didn't just learn to use 3D printing, she excelled. For her undergraduate dissertation, she pioneered research into printing lattice structures directly into physiotape to support individuals with arthritis, an idea so original that she was selected for presentation at the Additive Manufacturing Meets Medicine 2021 International Conference. As the only undergraduate amongst experienced researchers, she held her own and even published a peer-reviewed paper. Dr. Gleadle shared with me that her neurodiverse perspective allows her to approach problems in original and creative ways. She named her research specimens Squiggly Straight Bro and Wonky Wavy Straight Bro, a method that, while unconventional, was systematic, entirely fit for purpose, and far more memorable than traditional numbering. It's a small but powerful example of how thinking differently can be an asset in both research and innovation. Without a printer of her own, she currently relies on a makerspace, a fantastic resource, but one that limits her ability to iterate and experiment consistently. Winning the Prusa CORE One will give her the freedom to explore, contribute more actively to research, and stay rooted in the community that has brought her so much joy and connection. She brings infectious enthusiasm, curiosity, and a strong sense of community to everything she does. She's already making an impact in the engineering space, and we know she has so much more to give. So please join me in welcoming and congratulating the winner of the Sanjay Mortimer Rising Star Award, Abigail Duckworth.
First off, I'd like to say an incredible thank you to the SMF Foundation and the TCT Awards. I feel so honoured to have won this award, and I am also imagining there are many, many other worthy recipients, so I'm so deeply warmed to the bottom of my heart to have won this. As with a lot of people here, I imagine there's quite a journey that takes us from day dot to sort of in this room. So I guess the first person to thank is Andy Gleedle and Loughborough Uni for sort of providing the 3D printing lab and the playground that I got to learn and experiment and create and do all these amazing things that have led me down this path to lead me here today. I'd also like to thank my work, Cambridge Consultants, for enabling me to be unapologetically me every time I walk in the door. The ability to be your whole and truest self, I think, is the best way to come into the day and facilitate everyone being the best possible thing that they could be. I'd also be remiss to not thank my family and friends. They have listened to many a deep dive on a project, whether they'd like to or not, and their unwavering and just wholehearted support in whatever I've been striving to achieve has been nothing but amazing, and I absolutely wouldn't be half the person I am, and certainly wouldn't be on this stage without them. I'd also like to thank everyone in this room and beyond. 3D printing is fun because it's fun, but 3D printing is amazing because of such the brilliant community and the support and the vibrancy and the different perspectives and the problem solving and everything that every single individual brings to it makes it such the special thing that it is. So thank you one and all, everyone here today. And finally, I'd like to thank Sanjay Mortimer. He was an immense force to be reckoned with in life, and he contributed so much to this space, and it is so warming to see that in his memory, his ability to connect with people, to inspire people, to push the boundaries further is ever continuing. And I'm so thankful to win this award, and I'm so excited to continue the work that he started. Thank you all.